Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Epicuren Discovery Kukui Coconut After Bath Body Moisturizer, and it is 8 fluid ounces or 250 milliliters. It's a luxurious finale to your bath, and it quenches thirsty skin. It's an anti-aging body moisturizer. It's used to help maintain healthy skin, and it's something that actually smells really good too because of the coconut smell. Basically, the product description says exotic oils are precisely blended with rich natural emollients to protect against dry skin, and after bath is perfect for an all-over body moisturizer with an equally light feel. Epicuren Discovery delivers an ever-evolving solution for the love of your skin, and their focus is on the harmonious relationship between wellness and beauty, promising that you will look good, feel great, and sacrifice nothing. So some facts about kukui nut oil. It's a natural moisturizer that has been used for centuries in Hawaii. It's produced by pressing oil from the kukui nut or candle nut tree, and it contains essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants that helps soothe dry skin and heal wounds. I'm going to show you just a little bit of what it looks like out of the tube. It's a nice, light, easily absorbable cream. Oh, and it feels really good. Like I said, it smells wonderful because it smells like coconut. So if you like coconut, you will definitely like this. And the kukui nut oil is really moisturizing, really soft. Just a great moisturizer that I absolutely love. So a little bit more about kukui nut oil. Originally, the Polynesians historically used the kukui nut to protect the skin of babies, and this emollient now is popping up today in shampoos, body scrubs, lip balms, and here are some ways that you can use them. You can use them body cream. You can use them as a deep conditioner. There's products that have it with the deep conditioner. There are scrubs that have it. There's kukui nut oil conditioner just for your hair. Gentle cleansing oil, which is a new trend that a lot of people have been jumping on the bandwagon for. And they also have defrizzing oil shampoo and other moisturizers that are very full of kukui nut. So it's really interesting to know about kukui nut and where it comes from and how it comes from Hawaii. And Hawaii, I think, is one of the most wonderful places on this earth. It's one of the most beautiful. I've been to the island of Oahu, and this is where I actually discovered it, was in Oahu. I kept seeing kukui nut, and Epicuren is a very natural company product. Basically, the directions say to smooth over the entire body after a bath or shower, paying special attention to the drier areas, use daily to maintain healthy skin, and this product is actually ideal for massaging. So yeah, it's an all-over moisturizer. It's based out of Laguna Hills, made in the USA, which we like, and because Hawaii, we know, is one of the states in the United States. And yeah, it's just a really great product that I like putting on my legs, my arms, my hands. You can put it on your chest, your stomach, your thighs, everything. So it's an all over after you take a bath. When you do need that moisture, you want that moisture on your skin, you want to take that one extra step to make sure that your skin is moisturized and taken care of, because you only have one set of skin that you were born with, and it's the biggest organ on your body, and you do need to take care of it, and you do need to make sure that it is moisturized and taken care of. So yeah, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. The Epicuren Discovery Kukui Nut After Body Moisturizer, 8 fluid ounces. Give it a try, and thanks so much for watching.